Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share today's video with you because it was honestly so much fun to film. Now, if you are not new to my channel, you may realize that the background today is a little bit different than normal, and that's because we are not at my home, but we are actually at my friend Taylor's house. And today we are going to be helping her clean and decorate her main living space for Christmas. Now, if you have been following my Christmas series, you know that in my personal house, I went with more of a farmhouse, rustic, neutral vibe for Christmas. But at Taylor's house, we are doing something totally different. She's going more like traditional / Christmas glam. And honestly, it was so much fun to help her decorate. And I love how it turned out. So we are just going to start by cleaning up her main space, removing all of the fall decor, wiping down the shelves and mantles, and then we're going to get into decorating. So Taylor is actually a mommy to 4, and fun fact, I have been trying to get her to start her own YouTube channel for quite a while now. I think she totally should. So let me know in the comments below if you think she should start her channel as well. Now, I did want to take a moment to introduce you to my friend Carlie, who I'm actually collaborating with today on this video. She is also decorating another space in her home for Christmas, and I have been loving her decor this year. She is a mommy to 1, and I just love her channel. So please be sure to click on her link in the description box below when you are finished with mine. So to begin decorating today, we knew that we wanted to start with the focal point of her main living space, which is this fireplace area. So like I said, Taylor is using more of the traditional reds. She's using a lot of pops of gold in her decor, and it just has a little bit more of that Christmas glam touch. So Taylor actually just moved into this new home, and her main living space has really high ceilings. So we knew that for the main focal point of this room, we were going to need a large piece. Luckily, last year on clearance, she had scored these very large wreaths at Walmart after Christmas, and I'm so glad that she did, because the main living space just really needed a large anchor piece to pull it all together, and this wreath was the perfect piece for that. We are just dressing it up now with some gold ribbon that she's going to use all throughout her decor, just to bring that little bit of Christmas glam to this plain wreath. Now, if you have been following my channel, you know that my personal goal for my seasonal decor was to utilize a lot of year-round pieces and then mix in pops of Christmas. And I wanted to bring this same goal to Taylor's home. So she had tons of beautiful Christmas decor to choose from, but I also took her around her house, we shopped her home, and we found a lot of larger year-round pieces that we could mix in with her Christmas decor to really just make a statement. And honestly, I love how this turned out. Now, we carried the concept of shopping from your home over to these shelves after we were finished with the fireplace area. I was like looking at the shelves and I was like, Taylor, we need a large focal point right in the middle. Do you have anything? And she actually had this beautiful canvas laying around. It has the gold colors that match the Christmas decor in it. And honestly, the message, "We love because he first loved us," goes perfectly with the Christmas season. So we put that as the center and then we worked around it. She also had these great little trees that she found in the Target dollar spot last year. We just added a little touch of that gold ribbon to this one on top to kind of tie all the spaces together. And then we utilized some other Christmas decor that she had laying around. This took us a while to figure out, but once we figured out a good layout, we were both so happy with how it turned out. So underneath her shelves, she has this amazing stool, and we knew that we wanted to add a touch of Christmas to it as well. So I shopped her house again and found this great textured throw blanket and a great traditional Christmas pillow. And then we are also pulling in that gold theme that we have going throughout this entire space into this evergreen tree with the same ribbon. So Taylor actually asked for a new piece of her Christmas village every year for her birthday, and I loved that she just had that traditional Christmas village to display. This takes me right back to childhood, and since it's such a special piece to her, we knew that we wanted to put it in her main living space as well. Now, what you're not seeing is the fact that we actually had 5 little helpers running around the entire time. We had 5 kids, 5 and under, helping us on this day, so it was a little bit chaotic at times, but honestly, I was proud of what all we got accomplished. The last area that we are going to decorate in her main living space before we move on to another area of her home is her coffee table, and then we're going to add these fun Christmas pillow covers to her couch pillows. She said that she purchased these off of Amazon last year, and I just love how they bring that traditional red color into her couches. So Taylor is actually hosting Thanksgiving this year, so her and her husband had decided not to put up their tree as of yet. So instead of us decorating her tree, we moved into her main entry space to get it ready for Christmas instead. She is just beginning by wiping it all down, and then honestly, it was so much fun to decorate this space. We used a lot of new items in this space. She actually found a lot of these at Hobby Lobby and Walmart, but my favorite piece that we used down here was this reindeer from Home Depot. It was just so unique and so cute, and we just added that touch of Christmas by adding a red ribbon to it. And then we also utilized, once again, some year-round pieces just to add another texture and touch of Christmas. To complete her entryway decor, we are just framing her door with these trees that she actually found last year at Walmart on clearance. I found these last year on clearance as well, and I let her know about them, and when she went to the store, they were actually cheaper than the price that I had bought them for, so she totally scored on these. We are all finished decorating now, and now we are going to start cleaning up the aftermath. And if you have decorated for Christmas before, you know that there is always a huge mess afterwards to clean up. Not to mention, like I said, we did have 5 kids, 5 and under, running around making a mess while we cleaned. So I hope that the second half of this video is super motivating to you and that it motivates you to get up and clean your space as well.
Makes me feel free again. This holiday heart is beating with the rhythm of the season. This holiday heart is filling up with love. This holiday heart is reeling at the sound of carols singing. This holiday heart is filling up with love, filling up with love. Don't have to wait any longer for December and the joy it brings. Now everyone's coming over. Warm embraces are my favorite things. Ooh.
Now, I will say that there was tons of glitter, garland, and styrofoam all over her main living space from us pulling decor in and out. So there was a lot of vacuuming that needed to be done.
With the rhythm of the season, this holiday heart is filling up with love. This holiday heart is reeling at the sound.
If you are stopping by from Carlie's channel, I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself to you. My name is Sarah, and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 5 children. My oldest is 10 and my youngest is 1, and I have a love for all things home decor, and I love to share that with my channel. My family and I recently just purchased a new home, and we have been renovating it room by room, and I love to bring my channel along on that process. I also share weekly cleaning motivation as well as a few day in the lives. So if any of that content sounds interesting to you, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel and join me in this YouTube journey.
Rhythm of the season. This holiday heart is filling up with love. This holiday heart is reeling at the sound of carols singing. This holiday heart is filling up with love. Filling up with love. Filling up with love. Oh, holiday heart.
So honestly, today has been so much fun. I have really enjoyed just spending the day with my friend, helping her decorate for Christmas, and just being creative in a new space. Like I said, at my personal home, I chose to decorate with a farmhouse rustic theme, and I actually brought my channel along with me step by step in that process. So I'm going to link that playlist in the description box below. If you are new here, I would love to have you check that out. That way you can see my other Christmas decor. And if you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel because I have more Christmas themed videos coming your way. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.